Chaos erupted in Rajya Sabha on Friday after the chairman Jagdeep Dhankar informed the House that a bundle of cash was found in the seat allotted to Congress MP Abhishek Singhvi.
During the routine anti-sabotage check of the chamber, after the adjournment of the House yesterday, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Sri Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Dhankar confirmed that an investigation was underway, adding that he expected someone to come forward to claim the money, but no one did. The revelation sparked uproar from both Treasury and opposition benches.
How can you say a particular man or particular seat?
Congress MPs were up in arms with the Leader of Parliament Mallikarjun Kharge questioning the naming of Singhvi while the probe was ongoing. DMK MP Tiruchi Siva accused BJP MPs of deliberate provocation.
Sir, Mr. Chairman, sir. Sir, you are the custodian of the House, sir. Sir, we repose everything to you only. You have made an observation. We are all silent, sir. A minister is provoking their members to get up and shout, sir. It's totally unfair, sir. Totally unfair. No, I saw that. I saw that.
Meanwhile, BJP chief JP Nadda called it a disgrace to the Rajya Sabha's integrity. Piyush Goyal added fuel to the fire, hinting at a possible conspiracy. He described the incident as a give-and-take scheme to amplify fake narratives allegedly orchestrated by the opposition and foreign forces. Congress MP Abhishek Singhvi hit back, calling the allegations bizarre in a video statement. He also pointed fingers at security agencies, saying if their failure led to the incident, it needs serious scrutiny.
I reached the inside of the house yesterday at 12:57 p.m. In the afternoon. The house rose at 1 p.m., 3 or 4 minutes after I entered the house. From 1 to 1:30, I sat with Mr. Ayodhya Prasad in the canteen in Sangam and had lunch. At 1:30, I left Parliament. So my total stay in the house yesterday was 3 minutes and my stay in the canteen was 30 minutes. Of course, there must be an inquiry as to how people can come and put anything anywhere in any seat. It means that each of us must have a seat where the seat itself can be locked and the key can be carried home by the Member of Parliament. Because everybody can then do things on the seat and make allegations about the seat. If it was not tragic and serious, it would be comic.